Hello, English warriors! Welcome to Boy with Ing Daily Conversation class. Today, we master 50 real-life phrases that make you sound native confident. Perfect for shop, work, friends, travel. No boring grammar, only practical English. Repeat after me. Speak loud. Own it. Ready? Let's crush conversations. Section 1. Morning greetings. Shopkeeper chat. Shopkeeper. Morning. Usual coffee? You. Yes, please. Black strong today. Shopkeeper. Bag or carry? You. Carry, thanks. Have a great day. Neighbor wave. Neighbor. Beautiful morning, right? You. Perfect weather. Sleep well? Neighbor. Like baby. You? You. Energized, ready, conquer. Practice 5 times fast. Morning, usual coffee black. Beautiful morning, sleep well? Section 2. Work talk. Boss check-in. Boss. Progress update quick? You. On track ahead schedule, actually. Boss. Client feedback positive? You. Raving reviews, thrilled clients. Colleague lunch. Coworker. Join lunch today? You. Perfect timing, starving now. Coworker. Spicy? Brave enough? You. Challenge accepted, bring heat. Meeting power. You. 3 quick points, everyone. First, target hit early. Second, budget under plan. Third, next steps assigned. Section 3. Restaurant orders. Waiter approach. Waiter. Table for how many? You. Party 4, please. Window view? Waiter. Menus. Drinks right away. Order smooth. You. Grilled chicken medium spice. Side salad, light dressing. Water, sparkling ice, please. Check polite. Waiter. Everything perfect taste? You. Outstanding meal, thanks, chef. Bill split even, please. Section 4. Phone mastery. Call start. You. Hi, Sarah. Speaking, Mark here. Quick catch-up works now? Problem solve. You. Issue popped, minor fix, easy. Handle by tomorrow, guaranteed. Questions, concerns, speak free. End strong. You. Perfect plan forward, great. Talk soon, bye, excellent day. Section 5. Travel confidence. Airport smooth. Agent. Destination, final boarding? You. New York direct nonstop, please. Agent. Window aisle choice? You. Aisle stretch legs, thanks. Hotel check-in. Clerk. Reservation name, please? You. Kumar family, 2 nights king. Clerk. Breakfast included, Wi-Fi free. Taxi master. Driver. Airport straight highway? You. Yes, please. Fastest route traffic? 40 minutes, perfect timing. Rapid fire challenge. Morning coffee, black strong. Progress on track ahead. Grilled chicken, medium spice. Handle tomorrow guaranteed. New York direct non-stop. Reservation Kumar, 2 nights. Perfect plan forward, great. Memory anchor phrases. Lock these brain forever. Repeat 3 times daily mirror. Usual coffee, black strong. On track ahead schedule. Grilled medium salad light. Handle tomorrow guaranteed. Talk soon, excellent day. Final confidence boost. You now own 50 native phrases. Shop confident. Work powerful. Restaurant smooth. Phone fearless. Travel unstoppable. Your mission. Practice 10 phrases daily mirror. Record, speak weekly, improve. Use 5 phrases real life daily. Conversations no longer scary. Conversations become your power. Thank you, conversation masters. Subscribe, practice daily, grow. See tomorrow, new lesson.